upon himself to promote Starman's new single. He's returned to his hometown of Norwich, where he set up what he hopes will be a significant radio interview.
Well, welcome to Hospital Radio Norwich. We'll keep right into the legend. Andrew Stone.
Hello.
And welcome to the studios, Andrew. You've spent all your time in Norwich, haven't you?
Yes, I started my whole career really, because my very first dance lesson was in Norfolk. So.
Brilliant. Well, on radio, of course, we can't see your dancing skills and your teaching skills, but what we can do is hear your music.
Thank you.
Hoping to release soon, I Don't Want to Dance.
Yes, it's going to be released on the 26th of April. It's on pre-order now, actually. So, and it's called I Don't Want to Dance by Starman.
Excellent. Here it is.
Norwich Hospital Radio is the most listened to radio station within the hospital, and Starman's single will be played alongside patients' favourites, Jim Reeves, Bill Lynn, and Daniel O'Donnell.
I kind of get more out of this than I would like, when I'm like heart radio or something right now. Yeah, it's got commercialism written all over it, isn't it? It's got to have that hook. You would know that. You know that.
Yes, Andrew Stone, yeah. My grandson told me all about him. Well, not all about him, obviously, but he does know of him, so yes.
Is it Starman or Starman?
Starman.
Starman. No, I haven't heard of Starman.
So what did you think of that song?
Very good. It moved me.
Thursday morning at the studios, and choreographer Mark Battershaw is auditioning dancers for the new Florence and the Machine pop video.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dozens of girls have shown up, but Mark and the producers are only looking for 2 dancers to appear in the video.
Yeah, and just be juicy on that car.